Hello. Um, I decided for my sensor and probe demonstration to use Science Science Journal by Google. And it's not an app you can get on your actual computer, so it's one I downloaded on my phone. But we'll see if you can. It looks like that. And it's a free download. It's really easy to use. I did see that they have a website, which hopefully is appearing on the screen now. They have a website that, while it doesn't do the same things the app does, it does have some explanations about the app. And one of the first sensors I wanted to try was the Getting Started with Sound. And it's really cool because it's almost kind of like a lesson. And it says it uses the microphone to investigate. Sorry, I accidentally pressed the pause button. It uses the microphone to investigate the sound around you. And it takes you step by step through how to use it on your phone. So it says press the microphone icon to open the sound intensity card. So I can even show you on my phone. So this is like what it looks like. I just signed in or signed up, which was just putting your email in. Really easy. And then I'm going to press on the welcome to the science journal, sorry, it takes you to something that looks like this. And then I'm going to click on that little, if you're a Pokemon fan, it looks like a Pokeball, but it's like the circle. The circle at the bottom. Sorry, this is more difficult than I thought with the squiggly line. So if you click on that, then it gives you all these different options. There's sound, there's light, there's all the different ones you can pick on. So this tutorial is telling you to click on the microphone for the sound one. So that's where we would start. Oh, and it even tells you it's usually on the lower portion. And then to start a new project, there's different, it gives you ideas for different experiments. So it says, in addition to speaking into the phone, try clapping, stomping, singing, whistling. You can record each sound, and then how the different runs of each sound compare to one another. And it just gives you different options. And one of my favorite parts, and this is all on the phone also, I just thought it would be easier for this video to show you on the website, but the same screen is also in the app. But my favorite part is that it actually explains what is happening. So it will go through sounds are made by vibration and explain the vibration and how sounds can be described in terms of their frequency and intensity. So it really describes why those sounds sound the way they do and why the data is going like high and low, which is really great. So it explains that educational and scientific part of it for you. This part was really cool too. They talk about how we measure sound by something called a decibel. And then it kind of explains the decibel scale. So, like 10 decibels would be rustling leaves, whereas like 140 decibels would be an airplane taking off. So, I thought this would be really interesting and really great ideas of some lessons there. It also explains how you can go further. And I think one of the lessons I would love to do that I did not think of this, they fully thought of this on here, so I will give them credit. But it's actually getting onto the app and making the sounds, and you can either print out the graphs or like have them up on the screen, and you have to match the graphs and the data to what sound you think made those different graphs. And I thought that would be a really fun class idea. So I'm gonna try to show you my phone, which I'm not doing the best at. But let's see. I'm going to try to switch it. Oh, okay. So I'm going to open the app, and so it's still, right now it's just doing like a live recording of me talking. You can see it moving upside down. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm on sound, I'm going to click sound and press record, and I'm going to be really quiet, and then I'm going to make different sounds, and you'll see it kind of moving. So I'm going to, okay. Hello. I'm going to yell, so hello. Okay, and then I quit recording. So, now I have, you can see this recording 4, or I've been playing around with it a bit. Recording 4, and that's the graph and data of all of those sounds I made. So it's really cool, and you can see like on the graph, obviously when I was knocking, where are we? Sorry. There we go. This is recording 3. See, let's try it. There we go. Okay. So when I was knocking at first, and then when I did the little, I don't know what this is called, but it's like a metal thing, how it started out high and then it went down, and then the whispering. So it's really cool. You can upload this to your journal. You have like a journal, and you can make observations about it and notes about it. And I just think this is a really cool way to incorporate sensors into the classroom. And I think besides this sound lesson, there's also, they have ones you can do with light and color. And I think there was one with temperature. But there's just a lot of really cool things on this app. It's, once again, it's called Science Journal through Google, and it was free. There's a lot of really cool sensor stuff on there. So that is what I found for this project. Thanks.